Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious street style upma. You must have made regular upma many times at home, but this type of Khila Khila Upma is only available on street side shops and this is so unique and amazing. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. First in a pan heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To that add 1 cup of semolina or Suji. Roast for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Then add half cup of vermicelli or Sevai. Roast both till golden. You can also use only Suji if you want. After it's golden brown, transfer it to a plate and keep aside. Now heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. And then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 8 to 10 curry leaves, half inch of ginger grated, 2 thin sliced green chillies. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 tablespoon of chana dal and 2 thin sliced onions. Saute till the onion turns translucent. After that add few cashew nuts and few peanuts. I have pre-roasted the peanuts. These are completely optional. Mix and saute again for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 finely chopped tomato. Saute till tomatoes turn soft. Now for the masala, add half teaspoon of salt and mix well. Then add the roasted Suji and Sevai. Add salt as per taste and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Now add around 1.5 cups of water and mix well. In the regular upma we add the water first, but in this type of upma we have to add the Suji first and then the water. Now cover and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes our perfectly Khila Khila Upma is ready now. This is a unique type of upma. Finally add few chopped coriander leaves and juice of half a lemon. Gently mix everything. Our delicious upma or upittu is ready now. This makes for the perfect breakfast option. This is so quick and easy to make. You can also have sambar or ghuguni with it and this tastes so amazing. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.